Why is this important? I think we're living in a world where both the velocity and the magnitude of change is increasing. We need to become expert at facing change. My story is I left my last executive position, and then my wife left me, and I just wasn't ready for all those changes. And so I went and have studied a bunch of different forms of self-development to figure out what to do next. Basically, one chapter ended and I didn't have the next chapter written. And I found that the schools of self-development that are out there fall into two camps, the B schools and the do schools. The B schools teach how to be more present, mindful, self-aware, important lessons. The do schools teach how to act, how to take action, how to perform, how to communicate. Also important lessons. All of that is necessary for dealing with change. But I didn't find anybody who was really teaching both sides of the coin in a single method, being and doing, in order to change, in order to transform. That's what I'm attempting to do.